Asher, you want to do our counting again?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. Where'd 4 go? Do you have 4? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job! You want to do it again? 1. What comes after 1? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job! You did a good job. Do you have a favorite number, Asher? What's your favorite number?